start early. That was awesome.
Yeah,
you
thank you,
guys.
Coach.
Magnificent, Coach.
Yep. Thank you.
I
Appreciate it,
recorded
Coach.
it on my phone.
Yep. You got
You
it.
could sell that VIP training today.
Just like that. Isn't that funny? I'm over here from the rooftops like, get the VIP. And they're like, oh, I just, you know what? I'm just going to continue to lose money and then be like, oh, I don't know.
Not the smash. Coach, did you see BT last night?
No, I did not. But I saw you post she was in there.
Yep. She
Damn it.
came in.
Damn it.
That was awesome.
Will you be my girlfriend? I'll treat you right.
That was the after show was fun last night.
Yes, it was awesome. Thank you guys. That was a great show. A great show.
You all made it amazing. Thank you.
That was beautiful. Hold on one sec. Let me get all this up. Let me get through these questions while I'm getting everything. Mark, go ahead. You had a question. Sorry. I'm going to try to get through these quick, and then we're going to do the pre-market because we are so late today. I'm getting everything. Mark. Nope. Philip, go ahead. Philip, talk to me. Philip. All right, this is not questions and answers time. Bob, put that hand down. Stop it. Mark, don't do it. I see you. Stop it. All right, last one. Bob and Mark, go. Mark, go first. Go quick. Fire in a hole.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
What? Since it's a special day, 1 day or 8 days on the outs. Like there's a March 1 or a tomorrow call.
Oh, are you talking about if you're making a trade today?
Yes. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Remember, now, Mark, you just made $2 million, right?
No, this is the other Mark.
Oh, I got you. Okay. I was gonna say if as long as your account can handle it, go as far out as you can. It doesn't matter if it's today, tomorrow, right? None of that matters.
Right.
If you're just using a smaller account, then yeah, this Friday is fine as long as you don't hold it throughout the whole. If you don't hold it overnight, you got to get rid of it today. Okay.
I can afford a month, so.
Yeah. I would always recommend that anytime you're trading, just to be in the habit of it. You guys don't know how many times I've accidentally bought I'm like, oh, no problem. I'm going to hold this. This is great. And then I look at it and it's getting close to the day. I'm like, oh my gosh, you idiot. I'm like, I bought it freaking 3 days from now instead of a month. So I'd always rather be in the habit of buying longer out.
Yeah.
You know, if you have
Thank
the
you.
money.
I did that yesterday, by the way.
Yeah, and I'm like, I can't believe I did. What were you thinking? Like you weren't. So
all right, thank you.
Yep, absolutely. Bob, go ahead.
Hey, Coach, just for shits and giggles, yesterday at the end of the day, I did a 3-month out straddle on NVIDIA just to see it in my paper money account to see how that works.
Yes, absolutely. Nice job. Keep us posted on that. I would love to hear how that went. That's awesome.
Yeah,
awesome.
I have a call that's 3 months out in my real account that I bought a few days ago, and it dropped a lot. So I don't know how that's going to work today, but
no,
I actually just looked in my Robinhood today. Simulator.
Yeah, it will. It should rebound. Yeah, go to the simulator. It should show you. Yeah, but
I never used that before. I never saw that.
Oh, I got you. Okay, but yeah, it should have rebounded nicely. It just depends on how much of a premium you paid. Like, did you pay top dollar and then the bottom fell out, and then, so there's a lot of variables in there. Okay. Let me pop this chat out.
Right now, it still says it's up like $1,200 right now.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, see, so fully recovered from it.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice job. Yep, way to hang in there. You got to love it when you have time, right? Think about it. If you wouldn't have had time, you would have sold for a loss. You had time, you got to hold on to it,
I've been doing that more and more lately. I just love having time with stuff.
Oh, it's so much better. Time is everything in the market.
It takes so much stress off of it.
Yes. The more time you can buy, the better. I'm telling you, there's just there's no better. Now, just don't ever get in the habit. This goes for all of you. Just don't ever get in the habit of, well, it's not going my way. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and hold on to it. Don't do that. There's a difference between this is looking great and this is a trash trade. Why am I sitting here? Because you have time. Well, then all you're going to do is you're just going to lose it over time. So make sure the trade still makes sense, but time is everything. Last question. Boy, we got a lot of questions. Today I started extremely early. We're still in training mode. We've been running since 7:45. Go ahead, LD.
Yeah, Coach, I just wanted to throw out real quick. A lot of people was asking about smaller things for NVIDIA. If you're doing stock-wise, NBDU and NBDD, that one's up 17-20%. Those are good for smaller accounts.
Okay, good. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah, and remember, if you're talking about NVIDIA too, right? Soxel is going to be the other move. So Soxel will be the other move. Did anybody make money on LRHC? That was a nice pop to 630, by the way, and then I'm going to pull it off my screen. Make
I
sure.
made a couple, Coach.
Did you say a couple
Coach,
grand?
Coach, I
Yes.
made $800 on that.
Hey, there you go, Nate. I was trying to call for you, partner, earlier when I saw that. Okay, good.
I'm listening.
Okay,
Bye.
good. All right, good. Wow, somebody made a couple thousand.
Coach.
Nice job.
I found your education more valuable, Coach. Sorry.
Thank you. I appreciate all your faces. Let me make sure. Bruno, did we add that one? If you would, Bruno, will you add that, please? If we don't have it, let me make sure. Oh, it's already in there. Okay, thank you. Isn't Bruno doing a great job with these hot stock picks, by the way? Just crushing it. Just crushing the game.
He's the man.
Yes.
He is.
Yes.
Awesome.
Love it. Thank you guys again, by the way, for joining us last night for our 100th anniversary show for the aftermarket with Dawn over there and the crew. That was absolutely amazing. Hopefully you guys blessed her and filled the tip jar all the way to the top. That would be great. Hold on one second. Sorry, the boss is messaging me. Hold on a minute. Give me 1 second.
Thank you guys for the tips. You saved my life. Love you.
Good. Love you too. That's awesome. Hold on 1 second. Sorry, hold on a minute. Okay. But again, thank you guys. I appreciate everybody. It was really fun. Thank you for having me out. I know I didn't get to stay long, but my wife schedules me for 2 to 2.5 hours a night, so I try to make sure I'm present. I try to make
It's
sure.
all right. We get it. We get it.
It's the only time. Trust me, I get hammered if I look at my phone, if I'm doing work, and I'm like, okay, I'll try not.
We don't want you sleeping in the guest room or that big
Yeah.
leather couch or in the recliner.
Right. So again, thank you guys so much. Look at this. This morning, by the way, while we're looking at this, remember I said 746 on NVIDIA. See it right here? Check it out. This is exactly what I was talking about. Look at the 746 gap down. See it here? That's
Yes,
great.
Coach. Just
Yep.
putting the line in.
Yep. So I'll be looking for a bounce area inside of that. And remember, VIP members, who have trained you on what that should look like at the market open, so you guys can take full advantage depending on what happens, okay? Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I don't know why I'm being bombarded right now. I'm like, I'm live. Hello. Sorry. Family stuff. My son needs something for his new leadership training in the Air Force or something. I don't know. Figure it out as soon as I get done. Okay. But anyways. All right. Let me thank my moderators real quick before we get going. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, unhappily a housewife, Eric's Moto, DT the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Kaizen, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We appreciate you every day. Also, special shout out to my son in the Air Force, going on 8 years now. I think it's in April, but That's awesome. Thank you, buddy, for your service, and everybody else. Thank you, as always, to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you.
We appreciate you, Coach. Let's roll.
Hell yeah. Thank you. Now we can get our day started. That's the only way. We can't even begin until we hear the horns blaring. As you guys may or may not know, NVIDIA last night smashed earnings like across the board, ridiculous amount. They are now closing in on a $2 trillion company. They will, at $800, they will be one of the largest companies in the world. We've been talking about them every single day since I've been here, a year and a half. We started talking about it again in February. I told you NVIDIA would lead the charge with AI. This is another response to that. They flipped it from just gaming GPUs to AI technologies, and I told you that would happen. I've done a lot of work, by the way, with NVIDIA on the side with my tech stuff, with GeForce now, and all sorts of stuff. NVIDIA has been a great partner of mine, personally, my own brand, for a long time. I've used NVIDIA since NVIDIA, the day it came out, I've been using, obviously. So that's how I was able to stay ahead of the technology curve. This is why I've been talking about it for so long. If you guys remember back in February, we were talking with Jimmy, right, who made $27 million last year. I was talking to Jimmy about buying leaps for NVIDIA that is now up over $500, right, which is probably 10,000% since he bought those leaps, okay? Well, if there were leaps, they'd be up probably 1,000%, right? So probably at least 10x, at least minimum 10x those contracts. So congratulations to you, Jimmy, and everybody else who actually was listening when we were heavily talking about this, right? We've posted it every day. We've talked about it. If you could not afford NVIDIA, it's Soxel. Soxel has been the way, right? You guys have seen Soxel following it pretty tight. NVIDIA is up 11% right now. Soxel is 10.5%. SPY is up 1.3%. We had a ton of money go into the market last night. So a lot of money is poured in. We're going to do the pre-market here in about 2 minutes. I want to tell you about my services real quick. Believe it or not, I get paid to train you. I know that's crazy, but this is what I do for a living, is I get paid to train you. Last night I posted over on Twitter. Make sure you guys are following me at ADT Coach. I showed you exactly how to do a straddle. If you would have done that straddle today, you would be extremely happy. You'd be up at least 40% on your straddle. Straddle is a call and a put, same strike price, same expiration, which basically means they cost approximately the same amount. Your puts would have been gone to basically zero. Your calls, though, would be up 1.4 to 2x right now, which would have completely paid for the puts. You would have been protected, both sides, regardless of what it did. All we needed was volatility, which I knew it would be the most volatility you've ever seen in the history of the stock market was riding on NVIDIA last night, and it did exactly that. So congratulations to all of you that followed me over on Twitter. Again, follow me at ADT Coach. If you want more professional tips and tricks, make sure you follow me. And at any time, if you want to join us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. The monthly memberships start at $200. You'll get access to Zoom. Right now, we have 533 people inside of our Zoom. You'll get videos on demand, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup with the coach, all sorts of good stuff, and, of course, the membership lounge and all of our education. We will train you from market open to market close. Every day that the market is open, we are the only ones that train as much as we do. These are live microphones. You can ask questions at any time. We are the only ones that do this. Excuse me. When you are ready to step it up, VIP membership is where it is at. You will start masterclass training with me at 8:15. You'll get all the masterclass videos. You'll get all the workshop classes for free. You guys will get the 2-minute EWO indicators that we use all the time. These are attached to TradingView, so you guys can see exactly what it's doing. You get VIP seating and more with the VIP membership. If you are a VIP member, you can upgrade yours to the VIP Gold membership, With the VIP Gold, you get free mastermind classes. You'll get a free one-on-one with a moderator. You will get breakout session rooms like we did last week. You guys will get free classes for the mastermind. You'll get free help desk support, gold help desk support, plus a free one-on-one with tech support if that's needed. So make sure you guys upgrade. And of course, you get weekend training. It's the first time we've ever offered that. All of our prices will be going up. So get ready for a price change. If you bought any of our memberships, programs, services that are recurring, you are grandfathered in. So if you want to be grandfathered in at that $2,500 a year for VIP, buy it now. If you want to be grandfathered in on the VIP Gold, buy it now. And same thing with the monthly memberships. If you buy them now, those will be locked in. I haven't had any price changes on any of my VIPs in almost a year now. It'll be a year in 1 month. So we've been doing this for 11 months and I've never raised the prices on that. But it's coming. There's your bounce on 746, everybody, by the way. Did you guys see this? Look at this. It hit, it hit 747 and bounced. So it's $1 off. Now remember, the higher the amount, the more range you've got to give it, right? So that's why it's off by $1. But look at that. Came all the way back down and bounced. So we'll see what that wants to do today. Excuse me. All right, let's go ahead and do the pre-market setup. By the way, we did not sell those VIP lifetime memberships. Those are available. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Take advantage of those. Go buy them now. VIP lifetime memberships. I think we have 6 before it hits that 200 door limit. Get them now. Yes, your recurring memberships are coming up. Of course, you can save yourselves $25,000, $35,000 by going to get it now. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. All right, Bruno, are you ready for a pre-market setup?
Yeah, coach.
All right, let's rock and roll. Here we go. Let's start with Apple. These are our pre-market setup areas. We want to use these at the open and throughout the day. This will help guide you just a little bit more to see what the market wants to do. Apple to the upside is going to be 183.50. To the downside is going to be 183. AMD. Let's see. AMD. Excuse me. AMD upside is 172.87. Downside 171. Some of these are going to have a huge gap, just so you guys know, because of what happened yesterday with NVIDIA's earnings. Let's see. Google upside is going to be 147. Downside is going to be.
Did you skip over Amazon, coach?
Oh, you know what? Did I? Hold on. Yep. Sorry. Thank you. Amazon 173 up. 172.20. Hold on. Let's just hit this at VWAP. Let's go one. No, we can get it early. Never mind. 172.20 down. Excuse me. Google 147 up. 146.23 down. Mara. I still like it where it was. Mara 23.65 up. 23.16 down. Meta. Meta 479.28 up. Look at this thing riding on that 200 off that. That was nuts on the 2 minute. And oops, there we go. 478.11 down, which it could pull right here. We'll see. Microsoft. Microsoft 410 up. 409 down. Netflix.
Coach, do you want to be recording?
Thank you.
Recording in progress.
Thank you. I killed that one for Carter. Thank you. Appreciate that. Netflix 4 481 up. $581, I'm sorry. $581 up. Yeah, this one is sitting right on it. Okay, and 578.61 down. The big one. Here it is. The big poppy. Wow, I'm already losing my voice. We've had a lot of training this morning. That means I will probably have to leave early today. Otherwise, I won't be able to talk tomorrow.
Drink more Diet Coke.
Yeah, so well, and I got a jug of water next to me. NVIDIA. Let's see, 752 up. 746 down. This is what happens when you talk for, well, it's been what, an hour and 40 minutes straight so far of nonstop talking.
Coach, I just want to say thank you for getting in here a little early and doing that extra training. We appreciate that.
Absolutely, man. So don't be mad if I gotta leave, because you guys can hear my voice, right? It's it's almost gone. Like it's getting there. Q's, excuse me. Q's 434.33 up. Say that a lot. Or 433.86 down. Soxal 40.20 up. Boy, this is such a huge gap. I love it. Let's just go with the bottom here. 39.86 down. I know it's a big range, but it moves so much. SPY, we're almost done, guys. SPY 504 up. 503.71 down. That'll be right here on VWAP and the 200 if you guys saw that. Last one, Tesla. Don't forget those digital thank you cards are available. Get them. Get them. All right, let's see. Tesla. 195.73. Nope. Sorry about that. 196.12 up. 195 down. That's all of them. Thank you. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Doing some admin work behind the scenes here as well.
Good morning. I just want to say thank you for putting me in the drawing yesterday. To Dawn, thanks to Bruno for helping me getting set up.
first day of the VIP. There's way too much information. So not too much information, a lot of information. Good one. So
Awesome. Thank you, man. I
VIP
appreciate
is
it. Yep.
well worth it. I'll be with you since day one of TikTok.
Thank you, man. I
Thank you.
appreciate it.
Also, a big shout out and congratulations to Bruno on passing his certification yesterday.
Yay, Bruno. Nice job.
Hey,
buddy.
Bruno! Attaboy!
Good job, Bruno. You're the man.
Way to go, Bruno.
Way to
I'll
go,
fly with you
Bruno.
anytime.
Way to go, Bruno. Slow it down so we don't lose you as our admin in here.
Only 2 more to go, Coach.
Take your time. Take your time. Take it easy. There might be some extra work that might need to be done. See if you can stretch those out a little bit. Okay.
Oh, let's find somebody to buy him a plane.
Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we better hurry up and get the damn ADT jet, right? So we don't lose Bruno.
Hey, pilots have a lot of downtime, just saying.
That's true. That is true. But yes, it's sad. The closer he gets, I know it's coming. It's okay. I understand.
Yeah, forget that.
They have a lot of uptime, too.
Plane.
Yeah, they have a lot of uptime too. But yeah, Bruno, we're very proud of you, man. We know you're a rock star. We never doubted it. We never do with you. Okay.
Just wearing multiple hats, guys.
Absolutely. This guy's a machine.
A plane.
He's the Terminator. All right, we are now 2 minutes to the bell. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm losing my voice, though. I'm going to try to get us through for about an hour.
The plane.
I'm leaving early. Hold on. I have to let my boss know. My wife. Hold on.
You're another Mad Hatter.
All right, now listen.
Knows who the boss is.
Listen. Damn it. I'm telling you, this is going quick. My voice is fading. I need you guys to listen to me today. I don't care what call outs are happening. I don't care what's going on. I don't give 2 shits about shiny quarters that are going to be rolling around in front of you today. I need you focused and I need you to listen to me. Today is going to be a crazy, crazy day. It will be very volatile. It does not mean it's going to go up all day. It does not mean it's going to go down. We have to trade the trades. You have to listen to me today. More than anything, listen to the sound of my voice today. I don't give a crap what's going on around us. There will be a lot of stuff. Make sure your call outs are clear and concise. Make sure you guys are on point. I cannot stress this enough. VIP members already told you with NVIDIA what you should be set up for, what we're going to be watching for. That goes the same for all of you with Soxhole. This was
should we not do call outs so we can listen to you today?
You can do call outs, but don't just new high day, and everybody like ON and calling out bullshit that nobody cares about, right? Not today. Not that ON is bullshit, but what I'm telling you is I don't want to hear stocks that nobody cares about today. Not right now. Today, let's focus on the big boys. Let's get the big boys to where we're going. We already know NVIDIA. There's nothing else today. Stare at it. Soxhole, NVIDIA, Intel, Microsoft, Supermicro. These are your stocks today. Everything will be green out of the open, but that doesn't mean we're going to get big sell-off. Trade the trades, not your bias. Here we go, everybody. Let's rock and roll. All right, here we go. Watching NVIDIA right here closely. Same with Soxhole. Soxhole getting a nice pop. Watch right here for this sell-off on NVIDIA, but 746 should be support. You could see more of a sell-off. That is people collecting money. That is okay. Let them collect. Let them do whatever they're going to do. Don't try to be a hero. Remember, the first 1 to 3 minutes of the day is the most volatile, okay? Again, the first 1 to 3 minutes is the most volatile. Don't you dare get chopped up in that soup. Be careful. Waiting to see what this is going to do. Let me get my trading view up. Again, I won't be able to stay in here forever just because we've already spent an hour and 45 minutes of straight training. I've been talking straight for an hour and 45 minutes. Make sure you guys call out the first 2-minute EWO if you see it. That's going to help everybody out. Position size is the key today. Right, James? Position size. All right. Let's see what's going to happen.
Yes, sir.
There goes NVIDIA. There's your 746 bounce. NVIDIA starting to rocket ship now. Everybody seeing that? That's beautiful right there. So there was your pullback sell-off to bounce. Same with Soxel. It is now to the upside, broke pre-market levels. 752.39 is a key critical level now on NVIDIA. Looking good. We'll see if we can start to make some money out of there. It's 9:31. Remember, wait the first 1 to 3 minutes. I know it's making moves. Avoid this chop. Let's figure out what it wants to do. If you're a quick scalper, in, out. Just in the beginning, we've got to see what's going to happen. Look at Soxel pull back. This is what I was talking about, that first 1 to 3 minutes. Crazy train right here, right? Absolutely ridiculous. Nutty butty. People collecting money over here. Nobody panic. It's all part of the experience, Clark. Soxel touchdown here at 39.86. Scalpers, did you buy that that bottom right there? Wasn't that exactly on our pre-market? Look at that. 39.86 bounce. Boing. See it? Okay, good.
Yes, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mega's on a 2-minute EWL to the downside.
Thank you. There goes NVIDIA starting to take off again. By the way, I'm still holding those 2 calls that I bought last night. They are up over $10,000 right now.
Same, Coach.
Yep, holding them. So I told you, want to pull back at the gate. No big deal. Let them work. Let them do whatever they want. People are going to want to push the hell out of NVIDIA, and the more it gets on the news, the more it can do. So, and I have time. I have until March 1st, so we'll see what we're going to do. Eventually, at some point today, I will for sure sell one to lock in my profits, which will pay for the other one. But I'm just waiting for the right opportunity. NVIDIA just touched the 200 and pulled back. Lot of money coming in. This volume is flying in. Now look at the rest of the market. SPY is down, which means if there's any breathe back at all to the upside, NVIDIA will rocket ship. Apple is down.
At least Google really down too.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, everything's down. Yep, the whole market here. Like I said, trade the trades, not the bias, and we'll see what it wants to do. Still holding the calls overnight. By the way, did anybody straddle NVIDIA or Soxel last night? I'm just curious how much you're up. 40%, I would assume?
I'm up about 70%.
70. Nice job. 70%. That's beautiful.
Same here, Coach. I'm up 70 on my straddle.
Yes. Wasn't it nice to be 100% protected as long as we had volatility on those straddles?
Yes.
Now, remember, you would have lost on the straddles, Ted, since you asked this morning. You would have lost on your straddles if you would not have had volatility with time decay as long as they stayed in the middle. If they stayed flat, you don't make any money. You just lose time, which means you lose money. So we only do this with big volatility, which we knew it was, right? It's NVIDIA. The whole world was staring at it. I've been talking about it every damn day in here. Hold on one second. Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah, that's not doing anything. Sorry, a member called something else and I wanted to look at it. Okay. NVIDIA still staying up strong, about 11.8% to the upside. Apple's pulling back still. I'm telling you, if this market has a breathe back, watch for NVIDIA to drive. So if you start to see SPY go green here, NVIDIA will be a rocket ship. I hope you're all listening. Start watching this 2-minute EWO. We're starting to get set up on the first 2-minute EWO over here on NVIDIA. NVIDIA's starting to launch now. Here we go, baby. Let's go. Scalpers, you can take advantage of this VWAP and 200 area. See it? Okay, good. That 746, I told you that area would be huge down here. It got down to 745.35. I told you 746 was going to be major for support. That's because it gapped down from yesterday right here at the post-market high. That was our critical level. That was a great bounce area. And I told you, VIP members, that was the gap down. Yes? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Richard, real quick. We try not to ask questions in the first 30 minutes, but go.
No question. I just wanted you to know I scalped Qs instead of NVIDIA because of the cost, and I'm up 48%.
Oh, nice job. Nice. Good job. All right, we're still watching NVIDIA here. We want to see that break now of the 200. Remember, a lot of volatility, lots of money pouring into the market here. NVIDIA up over 12%. NVIDIA up over 12%. The next big critical level for NVIDIA is going to be 765. Everybody seeing this? Yeah, that's going to be the next major level for NVIDIA. I'm marking this one gold. That's a big one. 765 is your next critical area for NVIDIA. NVIDIA now up 12.6%. Should be another $1 million day for our members here at American Dream Trading. Hopefully you guys will be able to lock in some of those profits. Make that money. Yeah, I'm up over $10,300 now on those calls. See if those will continue to rocket ship. I like it. The 200 MA, of course, is going to be resistance right here. It's no big deal. Soxel is doing the exact same thing. Look at this. What a mirrored image. See the 200 on Soxel? Lots of volume. Nice bullish move right here on NVIDIA. Get ready for a pop. This is a bullish candle forming right here on NVIDIA. Stay up there. Scalpers, though, you're going to go VWAP to 200, VWAP to 200, VWAP to 200 until it breaks, okay? And there's a lot of money to be made because we're talking $3, $4, $5 range every time you guys could be scalping. VWAP 200, VWAP 200, wait for a break. Hammer one way or the other. But those are big, big, big moves if you're good. There's your VWAP touch. See it? Calls on support. Puts on resistance. Stop above or below. If it breaks, hammer it. Everybody's with me on this, yes?
Yes, sir, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. This is beautiful right here. This is still staying up nice and tall. Loving it. SPY's going green. What did I say?
Coach,
SPY. Go ahead.
Should we avoid the 2 minute because of the volatility?
No. Not at all. Not at
Because
all.
it's crazy.
No. You still trade the trade. What did I say? If SPY goes green, what did I say? Watch for NVIDIA to climb.
NVIDIA will pop.
Yep. SPY's going green. Get ready. Here we go.
Nope.
There it is. There we go, baby. Go. Come on, get it.
Let's go.
Come on, ride that donkey. Let's go. Come on, there it goes. Yeah! Get it. Yeah! Get it. There it is. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Woo! There's your yeah! There's $11,000 right there, ladies and gentlemen. Get it. Beautiful. Absolutely glorious. Yeah, how you like them apples? Is that glorious or what?
That's beautiful, Coach. I love that.
Wow. That is absolutely amazing. Everybody make money up to that 765-ish?
Yes, sir, Coach.
Thank you. Tell me that wasn't a glorious move. Look at SPY ripping now. See it?
Oh, yeah, Coach.
Yeah.
On Soxel. And also AMD.
Yep. Apple. Here we go. Let's go, baby.
On Soxel. You can do it.
This is nice. Real nice. Look at SPY. Yeah, baby. Stay up there now. Lots of money coming in. Anybody make money off NVIDIA here? Did anybody make money this morning? Talk to me.
No.
I did, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
132%, coach.
Great stuff, Coach.
Thank you. That's beautiful. Now look at SPY pulling back. So you're going to get it on video, but I told you around the 765, this is a big level. It touched 766.50 and pulled back. This is why this was a major level. Does everybody see it? Right here. This is why. This, of course it did it again. This and this. This is where I got it. Everybody see it?
It's good.
Nice, nice. Now, as long as it stays above the 200, still bullish. Right here, SPY, if this can bounce on support, which is VWAP, you'll get a bounce on NVIDIA off the 200, and you will see another climb. Otherwise, we're just going to have to be patient again. But I'm telling you, if you're scalping NVIDIA today with these huge moves, I mean, these are now $10, $15, $20. I mean, it's like trading SPX over here, right? These are nice moves. Now, the 200 is support, scalpers. Calls on support with a stop below. If it breaks, you're going to be puts, but it's calls on support. There it is again. Look at that. 761 to 763 move in a blink of an eye. Look at it. Ding, 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 ding. Over and over and over. Here to here. See it? That is glorious. Look at it. Did it again. See it? Right there. Ding. Wow.
Button's fast enough today.
Yeah, this is crazy. Look at Apple climbing. Apple climbing. Like I said, SPY above VWAP. NVIDIA above the 200. Apple's now above the 200. If SPY pulls, look for it to come down to VWAP for support. And then that's going to be a nice opportunity. Otherwise, NVIDIA is still staying strong. Don't panic in here. Still up over 10,000. I have not shaved any of my contracts. Still holding 2 longs. I have them till March 1st. I'm going to squeeze every drop out. I will definitely sell one, if not both today, just because of time decay, because I don't have them long. But I'm going to squeeze every ounce out of this bad boy. Just like this, because I'm already up $10,500 on that trade. I'm willing to give up $2,000 to $3,000 inside of this mix to make another $6,000 on it. So right here, it's staying up tall on NVIDIA. Look at what SPY did. It stayed above VWAP. See it here? Bullish. Here goes NVIDIA. Here we go again. Did anybody scalp NVIDIA on the 200? It did it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. There it goes.
Yes.
There it goes.
Over 11,000 now, coach.
Woo! Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, baby. That's real nice. That's 765. That's everything. It stays above that, man. We are going. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Soxel, Muddles, and Mediocrity right now. I don't know what's going on there.
Let me look.
Yeah, I was gonna say Soxel's not moving.
Not yet. Look at SPY. Look at SPY blast off. Woo-wee! Yeah, baby. Look at SPY. Here comes the money. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah.
Guys, I've told you Soxel is capped. It's leveraged. It doesn't play like this.
No,
It's capped.
Soxel will take. Soxel will go. Here we go.
AMD.
Soxel launching. Everything's launching. Here comes your money. Yeah, baby. There's $12,000. That's $12,000 right there. 2 contracts. SPY. Look at SPY. Look at Soxel. Everybody's making money now. Am I right?
Absolutely, coach.
Let's
Woo!
go.
Yes, sir, coach.
Yes.
Thousands, coach. Thousands.
Look at this. Look at this rocket ship. Look at this thing. Yes, I told you.
Coach, I'm 48% right now. Let's go, baby.
Yes, there's $12,400 on those 2 contracts yesterday. Yes. Hell yeah. Let me flip this screen real quick so you guys can see it. Look at this.
I'm 12,350, coach.
Yeah, look at this monster. Woo!
Holy bejesus.
Yep. Ride that donkey. Let's go, baby.
That's beautiful, coach.
Now, right here, next big major resistance, 772.
Coach, SMCI is up 20%.
Oh my gosh, beautiful. I told you, SMCI, Intel, Soxel, AMD, Microsoft. Keep an eye on those bad boys today. Right here, we're starting to get up on my ceiling limit where I will be looking at taking one off the table on NVIDIA. There's 12,500. Boom, just sold one of mine right here. Just collected $6,200 on one contract that I paid $3,500 for. Boom. Still holding
You
one.
won't believe what I just did, coach.
Yep.
I just sold them both accidentally.
Oh, well,
no.
That's okay. You know what to do. Just be careful that we're starting to come up on the next ceiling, right?
Yeah.
Meta is also going crazy on the upside right now.
Thank you.
So a lot of volume.
Also,
Breaking pre-market.
Spy's glorious. It's
Yep,
helping his
I'm
interest
Spy
rates are
and
coming
AMD.
down too.
Watch Soxel at 4069. I think that's going to be line of resistance.
Thank you. Look at right here on NVIDIA, 774. See it? This is where I was telling you. We got to watch this. And 775. This is a major area here. Scalpers. Beautiful. Look at SPY. Have you ever seen SPY pop like that? Yeah, baby. Still,
58%, coach.
yes. Hell yeah. Still rocking and rolling.
This is my best trading day ever, coach.
Oh, good. Good. Anybody else? Best trading day you've ever had or best trade you've ever been in? Talk to me.
Up $24,000.
Oh.
Best day ever.
Nice.
$65,000.
Wait, how much?
65,000.
Ted, $65,000.
Run that train.
That's
Coach,
awesome.
71,000.
Who said that?
Mark F.
Marks. You guys are crushing it. I told you, another $1 million day here at American Dream Trading. Absolutely beautiful.
Coach, 36,000.
36,000. Are you guys listening, live members? Are you guys listening to what's happening in this room? Huh?
Mind-blowing, coach.
34,000?
94.
$94,000 today. Yes.
This is mind-blowing to listen to, all because of you, Coach. Wow.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget, boy, please make sure you guys post the P&Ls. Those are monstrous numbers. I want to see all of those listed. Those are huge.
I'm a smaller trader, coach, but I'm up $4,000.
Yes. Nice job, Tony. I'm proud of you.
Hey, Coach, I shaved my NVIDIA call down to 1, just like you did.
Yes.
I'm negative on my put.
Yep.
Almost 1,000, but I'm up over 6,000 on my call right now.
There it is.
So I have a net 5,000. It's the best trade I've ever done.
Is that a straddle you did last night?
That was a straddle. That was a straddle.
All right. Did you guys hear that? That was a straddle. The put was down 1,000, but he made 5,000 on the call.
6,000 on the call, net 5.
1,000 on the call. Did you guys hear that? That's a
awesome.
straddle. Look at NVIDIA. Woo!
Yep.
Let's
and SPY
go.
too, coach.
Come on, baby. Huh? Are you not
There,
entertained?
We just passed pre-market
113%
high.
on SPY.
Yeah.
Guys trying to go for all-time highs here.
Thank you.
118%. Let's go, coach.
Nice job. Hell yes. So proud of all of you. I am so proud of all of you. This is why I
I'm so
came
proud to
in.
be your student, coach.
Thank you. But this is why I came in so early today. I really wanted you guys to make sure you got all of this. You absorbed it all. I really wanted you to listen to the sound of my voice today. And I know I don't really hammer making sure of that, but I knew what this market was capable of this morning. So hopefully that paid off since I don't have any voice left.
Coach, I woke up literally on God at 6:30 a.m. I haven't even brushed my teeth.
That's
I woke up like literally at 6:30 on the dot. I'm like, I'll open up my computer and I saw SPY, I saw AMD, I saw NVIDIA, and I was hearing you.
Yes.
And I got in on calls right away.
That is awesome. That is so awesome. Great job.
Hey, Coach, with my straddle,
Yes.
I'm so comfortable. I slept in until 8 o'clock.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Again, the straddles work. You guys heard up over 500% on a straddle from yesterday, right? Straddles are amazing with high volatility earnings setups. And I gave that away for free yesterday over on Twitter, ADT Coach. I gave the whole thing. I had a whole breakdown, like 6 tweets in a row on exactly the game plan for NVIDIA. Could you imagine if they listened and it was free? Oh, boy, oh, boy. That's
Coach.
Yes.
Between AMD and NVIDIA, I'm up $81,000 so far.
Yes.
Go, Nate.
I still don't understand what I'm doing,
but you
I'm up.
understand.
Boy, buddy.
You understand.
Let's go, Nate.
You understand how to go to the bank, though, don't you?
Oh yeah, crazy.
That's beautiful. I'm still holding the other call, which is still up $6,000. I'm still holding that other call.
Coach, biggest trade today, about $1,000.
Oh, nice job, Easy Jack. Yes.
Thank you.
I love it. Now, for the rest of you, do you see why? Shedding technique, right? Shed, shed, shed. Somebody asked me about 2-minute EWO if you should avoid it. Hell no. Look at this. 2-minute EWO signal here. Look at. If you would have not gotten in this, you would have
I got in, Coach.
Yes.
I got in.
That's
But it was
30.
volatile. It was crazy, so I didn't know what to expect, you know.
Yeah.
Am I in trouble for a short on NVDL, Coach?
No, if you're a scalper, you can do whatever
Yes,
you want.
sir. Got it money, buddy.
Yeah, just be careful because you're going against the grain. But yeah, just know.
Yeah, I'm out.
Okay.
It was in and out, Coach.
I got you. Okay, thank you. So anyways, I'm so in the money at $6,000 right here. I don't care, right? I don't care what NVIDIA does. This is the point I'm talking about. If you get in such a good trade, look at Soxel bleeding out. If you get in such a good trade and it still makes sense and it's still doing what you need to, why are we playing with it? Right? Leave it alone. Keep rocking and rolling this thing. There's your 765 critical level on NVIDIA. This should be support. If not, we're going to VWAP. Everybody see it? Calls on support. Everybody, hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, good.
That's right here with a stop right here. If this breaks, you'll get stopped. You're going to be driving right here to VWAP, which is the same thing. Calls on support with a stop right here. Boing. Watch for this. We're watching SPY. Soxel's starting to get a little bit more room again. This is scalper's paradise. This is a 765 right now to 768 bounce. That's a $3 move in one candle.
Nailed it.
Yeah, it's incredible. Look at this thing. So scalpers, you'll buy in. It moves up. Move that stop real nice and tight. It moves up more. Move your stop. Right? Look at this thing. Look at this beauty. This is scalper's paradise, baby. Glorious. Look at SPY going green. SPY getting some good volume. Look at Soxel starting to get some legs again. Watch the overall market. It's going to help dictate what is going on with NVIDIA. I'm watching the Qs, SPY, and Apple to help me dictate what I should be looking at with NVIDIA. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So when we see those push green, watch for NVIDIA to go with it. We see those bleed out, watch for NVIDIA to breathe back. It's the ebbs and flows that we need to understand in this market. And 765 is still support on NVIDIA. Until it shows us otherwise, that is support. And again, I'm still holding on to these contracts. I have one, $5,700. $5,700. Think about this for a minute. I could allow NVIDIA to crash to its lowest point of the day, and this would still be up about $4,000. So why am I messing with it? Does that make sense?
That's why I'm filthy. I sold them, Coach.
Yeah, leave it alone, right? I've already, listen, the money that I've already made already paid for both the contracts. This is a free trade. Absolutely.
What's the percentage on it, Coach?
The percentage is 162% right now. 163.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yep. Here, let me flip my screen real quick just so you can see. But this is what I'm talking about. When you guys get in these trades and you keep like dinking around, I sold one at its height. Notice I did it at the height of day. There was no higher for the day, right? I sold it. I collected the premium. This is a free trade. Whatever I make out of this trade is 100% free. It paid for the whole thing. Remember, this one contract was $3,500, right? I made $6,500 off the last contract I sold. This is free. Whatever happens, free. Why mess around with free? Leave it alone. Go buy the mouse pad. Look down, right? Stop dinking with stuff.
2 minutes to shift change.
Thank you. Like I said, don't care. I have time. It's a free trade. Do whatever you want. And again, when you guys see pullbacks on 2 minute, 50%, 20%, 20%, 10%, leave them alone. I don't care. Leave it alone. This will change your life.
Coach, this might be the gee whiz thing, but the NASDAQ or the Dow is up 360 points.
I told you, right? It's $1 trillion day. There's so much money coming into the market today. Didn't we talk about that at VIP with great length this morning, everybody?
We did, Coach.
Sure did, Coach.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That was priceless.
That is glorious.
Well worth the money.
Thank you. Checks in the mail.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
I bought a few Rivian puts before the bell last night.
Ooh,
143%.
Yes.
And I'm buying a Tesla this weekend.
Oh, yeah. yeah. Oh, by the way, thank you for using my referral code too. That's awesome. I don't know what we get out of it.
Thanks for the 3 months of FSD.
Oh, yeah. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah,
I love that.
thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Very cool. I can't wait for you to get it. Let us know. Post the pics, man. I'm super excited for you.
Yeah, we'll do. It's it shouldn't be very long. Wait's not that long.
No, yeah,
I'll let you know.
Yeah, the Wise. That's a beautiful car, man. I think you guys are really gonna like that.
Yeah.
By the way, Hamilton and all VIP members, look in the VIP lounge. We talked about this morning. I want you guys to look at the river of green. Remember what I said this morning? Look at that.
Yeah, I saw that. That's awesome.
Woo! Very nice. Very nice.
Keep change.
That is just glorious. Okay, Soxel still to the upside. SPY still up. Everything's still looking good. It's staying strong. Honestly, all this looks like is a slowdown until a pop. That's all this looks like to me. Now, you guys know when I tell you when the market looks heavy and all that other stuff. You guys hear me say that all the time, right? And everybody's like, you're full of shit, Coach. I don't know what you're talking about. And then the market crashes. This is the opposite. This is a buildup to a pop. You want to know why? Because I live in the Matrix. There is a difference. There's a difference in the force today. Soon as the news pops, now remember, news is going to be a big deal. Anytime somebody gets on the news and says good, bad, or other, it's going to affect the market, right? The algos, the machines, the bots, they pick up on language. They look for specific keywords. But as soon as we start talking about NVIDIA, 2 trillion cap, $800, market's going to move. Here we go. Here goes SPY again. What did I just say? What did I just say? Look at Soxel. Your super trend Soxel just lit up green. So did your SPY to the upside. Look at that. You guys seeing it? Yeah, baby. This is the calm before the storm again. Oh, yeah. Can you guys feel it? Can you feel
It looks like accumulation. Yeah.
It really does. Can you guys feel the buildup? Yes.
Feel this way cannot be forward, coach.
Come on, baby. Let's
Dude,
go.
down with the thickness just went in my head.
Oh, there it is. Absolutely. Come on now.
Coach, I've been riding the Soxel since the first 2-minute green.
Nice,
It's
nice.
been a lot of chop, but yeah, I think it's going to go up too.
Yeah. 772. We've got it marked on our screen. Look at NVIDIA. 772.21. See it? This breaks this level back up to 774 to 775 up to high a day. That's what we're looking for. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
If it cannot, right? If it fades. I don't see that happening, but it could. If it fades, 765 is our support. Did anybody buy the 765 pullback? These were the calls. This was beautiful.
I did, coach.
Yes.
Yes, coach, I did.
Yeah, that was beautiful. Nice job.
Yes, coach.
Nice. Still holding on to here, like I said, still have that contract. It's up 167% right now, still holding on. Watching everything else. My voice is going real quick. Like it is. I am almost cooked, guys. You guys are going to kill me, but I won't be able to talk much longer. Voice is...
You want to change our one-on-one today, coach, for tomorrow?
Oh, yeah. Yes, please. Let me make... Yeah,
Let's just do it for the same time tomorrow.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, because my voice, it is... I am pushing maximum capacity right now.
No, you're good, man.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, remind me too during when we come in here tomorrow. Absolutely.
I will.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will not come in early tomorrow just so we can do it. All right. NVIDIA. Still up here in the clouds, looking beautiful. It's still to the upside. Nobody's panicking. SPY I can see pulling. The Qs are pulling. Apple's pulling. Don't care. This is still looking very bullish to me. But again, trade the trade, not what we think. We'll see what it looks like, but this does not look like heavy market. I don't care. It doesn't look that way. This is not vining. Yep, this is not vining down, right? This isn't getting heavy on the vine. This is up, pullback, consolidation. Pullback, consolidation. That's all I'm seeing. Now, I don't know if there's some global news, of course.
There's a Fed speaker speaking right now.
Oh, well, that's what's dragging us. That's what's dragging us. I guarantee you that's what's dragging us right now. I got to get some water. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry. Hold on. Hold on 1 second.
Amazon's kind of sandbagging the market. It's third green 2-minute.
Gotcha. Okay,
Or
sorry about
third
that.
red. I'm sorry.
Tesla.
Hey, Coach. Good morning, Edvar here. So I've been wanting to tell you, this issue you got with your throat.
Yes.
It's got something to do with reflux. You might want to raise your pellet and cut out the acid food, man.
Oh yeah, I don't eat any acid. Yeah, I don't eat any acid foods, partner, at all.
Pizza, tomatoes, stuff like that.
I do eat tomatoes though. Yes, that could be. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You cook with acid also, Coach.
Yeah, it's from talking and screaming and yelling and woo and doing all the things to try to get us all hyped up. That's all it is.
Right. Especially on a day like today.
Yeah, it's overstraining. I mean, how many times did I yell for you guys today? 16 times, right? So it's just to hype us. Yeah. So, but I appreciate
it's winter. You got dry air.
Yeah, absolutely. But I appreciate you guys. Okay, here we go. NVIDIA.
Black girl, man.
Yep. NVIDIA starting to rock and roll again, right? Starting to move back to the upside. I told you this just looked like consolidation to me. It did not look heavy. Here comes the next pop. SPY is staying up tall. NVIDIA is tall. Hopefully you guys stayed strong. Nobody got weak. This is the move. Look at NVIDIA. It broke 772. Now we're closing in on 774. I told you break a 774. It's going to move us to 775 and a new high day. Everybody watching it?
Watching it now, get it, coach.
Thank you. I told you there's a difference between it getting heavy and consolidating for the next move to the upside. This is a consolidation. Major difference. Still extremely bullish.
Looks like a doubles up in the 2 minutes, coach.
Yep, still looking good. Who's still in the 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA?
I am, coach.
Thank you.
I'm still in it.
Still in the 2 minutes.
Still have one contract.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're on the 2 minutes. Still on the spot, too.
Nice.
I'm on the 2-minute SMH.
Yeah, 3 contract.
Nice job. Look at Soxel. Soxel getting ready for a new high a day. There you go, Josh Lee. Josh Lee, you're getting ready for new high a day on Soxel, partner.
That's right.
Coach, I'm in Soxel. How come we're having issues with continuing to go up? Because I've been watching
remember,
NVIDIA also.
Remember, Soxel is a combination of a bunch of chip stocks. It's not just NVIDIA, though, right?
Yeah,
I see. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
It's more of a struggle.
Yeah, it's Intel. It's got AMD, right? All the chip stocks are inside of Soxel.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
You got it. Damn it. No more yelling today, Coach. I know you get excited. I want to fire up everybody, but voice is going. Okay, here we are, 774. We had it marked. It touched once. It touched twice. 3 times a lady. Right there. Little Kenny Rogers there for you.
Coach, last month I bought an NVIDIA June 21 at 615 strike, and it's up $11,000 right now.
There you go. Nice job. There's your 774 break. There's your 775. I told you if it broke that, you're going to get new high a day. Here it comes. Everybody see the difference?
Go, baby, go.
Let's go.
Let's go. That? Huh? That's a lot of money right there. I told you it was not heavy. I told you it was consolidating for the next move to the upside. I can see the difference. This is called 32 years of experience of staring at these charts. We're not out here drawing little sandboxes and stupid ass, right, stuff at 3 a.m. trying to sell you a 1999 Discord when you have no experience or business doing it for anyone. This is real world experience paying out right now, live in front of you. This is the difference between a professional stock market trader and all these godfathery Walmart stupid, all this other garbage that's out there.
Said Walmart greeter.
Yeah.
Stop falling for that nonsense. Quit it.
Calm down, Coach. You won't have any voice left.
Thank you. And by the way, if anybody has named anything that has to do with the Godfather, it's always the wolves and the bears and all this. That's great. Great naming stuff. But stop being sold products and start training. VIP members, we prepped you for an hour and 45 minutes today. Are you making money? Open the mic.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. 32% of my account.
Yeah.
30%.
It's such a scam.
Oh, look at this pullback.
Scooby-Doo.
There's that 777 with a pullback. This is why you got to watch this high. See that high? Look at that. So again, 772, and then I told you 774, moved to 775, and here's our market, 777. We're exactly to the penny to the stop. Look at that.
That was to the penny.
Yep, look at that. By the way, still holding that contract. It's still up 173%. Still up $6,300. Why? Look at it. Bounced on 772. Oh, my. Look.
Coach, are you part Algo?
Yes. Yes, I am. Look at it. It bounced on 772. Look at that. Wow.
Seriously, Coach was bait at a laboratory somewhere. I'm convinced.
Right. There goes Josh Lee. Soxel, new high a day for you, partner.
Let's go. I finally read the room. Let's go.
Stocks were going up while Nvidia was going down.
Yep.
Coach,
yes.
can I ask you this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, how did you know all this?
Because I live in the Matrix.
Oh no!
Is he the genius?
I'm not doing it. I'm not. You know, I saw one of the haters out there was like, they have to call him genius every day. If he doesn't get genius, the guy gets upset. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I had to stop for a while.
All right, sorry.
But yes, thank you for that. I love the way you teed it up for me. I appreciate you. Right here, look at Nvidia. It touched 772. And then it found support at 774. Look at this is the roadmap. Isn't this exactly what we have charted? Look at this thing. And then 775. Here we are. Oh, look at it. This is a roadmap to success. It's constant. We had all of this set up before it ever got here, didn't we? We knew exactly where it wanted to go, when it wanted to get there, and how it was going to do it. We said down here, right? We said down here, I said, this is consolidation. This looks good. This is going to have a pop. That was all of this pullback. When the rest of the world is freaking out, American Dream Trading is making money right there. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
That's
Coach,
the difference. Yes.
Take a deep breath, sip of water. We'll go another 20 minutes.
Yeah. Like, drag it out, Coach. Just hang in there with us. we need
You're
to
gonna
make
need a
more
lot
money.
of honey tea tonight for sure for your throat.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I've got all the tips of the tricks of the trade from my old man professionally doing this kind of weird stuff.
Love you, Coach.
Love you too. I'm drinking my water. I'm paying attention and I'm listening to you.
There you go.
Soxel, look at that, you guys. 13.5%. Blast off. Here we go. Here goes
Still in it.
Nvidia.
Go. You're fucking kidding me.
Nope, we're not fucking kidding you. I told you to stay in there. I'm not fucking kidding you at all. Stay in there. What did I say to do? What did I say to do? Don't be a chicken shit.
SMH is blasting off.
I told you to leave it alone.
800, Coach. 800.
800,000. Nice job.
800.
About 4 more contracts on the pullback.
Did you say 800 NVIDIA contracts?
No, four contracts additional at the pullback.
Oh, somebody had 400 additional contracts on the pullback. Nice job. Look at this. There's 777 on NVIDIA. It pulled back. It touched 772. Exactly. It moved to 774. Exactly. It went back to 775. Exactly. And then it hovered around 777. And here we come on new high a day. Look at this. It's almost like we know what we're doing. Look, coming up on new high day. What did I say? Stay in the trade. Get your hand off the mouse. I spent an extra hour and 45 minutes this morning, VIP members, to make sure you did this. And I told you one rule only today. Listen to the sound of my voice. I don't give two shits what's going on around us. Didn't I say that?
Yes,
100%. You sure did.
Yes, you did, Coach.
Here we are. My trade is now up 185%. Coming up on new high a day. Look at this. What
I think you made yourself a digital card today, Coach.
Thank you. I'd appreciate it. I do. It is nice to receive those and feel like I did something.
Coach, I sent you one.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Don't forget, VIP lifetime memberships are available right now. I have 6 left. You guys want to get one? Because I know as sure as shit all of you made enough money for it. Otherwise, sign up for that VIP Gold. There's new high a day again on NVIDIA. And there's your pullback on new high a day, double top, exactly like it always does on a double top. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Always.
Yes, sir.
Always,
Absolutely.
always, always. Beautiful. And where did it stop? 775. If it breaks
It's a Festivus miracle.
I mean, look at it. And if it breaks, where's it going to go? Roadmaps, baby.
Coach isn't part algo. He's all algo. He is the algo.
You guys are crazy. Still holding. I am still holding the contract. Still. I'm not.
You're a genius, Coach.
I want to show you. I want to show you guys why.
Because I'm a genius.
Nope, I'm not saying it.
SOXL is new high.
Yes, it is, man.
Let's go. You're Chad GPT.
That's right. Now look, this is 188% on this trade, right? $6,800. Why would I mess with it? Why? What did I say? Could I have collected down there when it was at 5,000? Sure. Why? There's more to go.
Keep your damn hands off the mouse.
Leave it alone.
Because you think it's going to go to 800, Coach, by the end of the week?
I think we could hit 800 by tomorrow. Yep. And I'm not. And you never hear me say that, do I? Ever?
No, because I read your mind.
I never say that. But I'm telling you, the market wants to push this $2 trillion situation. Now, listen. When I say 800, that doesn't mean 800. That means 799, 798, because it's close to. Remember, people pull back.
Around the area.
Yes, they will pull back when it gets close because they're geniuses. But yes, now don't hold me to that. Not financial tax or investment advice. Do not hold overnight in anticipation of what I said. That is just my opinion that I think the more it drives the news, the more people get excited, the closer it gets. Now, what else did I say about it? And I said the same thing with Super Micro. The closer those get to 1,000, watch for splits, right? Watch for direct or offerings, right? All of those things start to happen when we get to this huge mark. So pay attention. We'll see what it wants to do. But I'm telling you, the closer NVIDIA gets to 1,000, the closer I see a 3-to-1 split coming. Watch.
It looked like they were just lighting the rocket fuel coach. It's ready to go.
I mean, look at it, right? Just continuing to climb. But hopefully you guys all made bucket loads of cash. And I told you, I said, listen, all of the other nonsense, all the other bad trades, they are washed away with this trade. And I told you, didn't I say this will be an account changer were my exact words? Yes?
Yes, sir. And
yes,
you're
sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
I'm glad I joined this group,
Hey, Coach.
Thank you.
I feel like I'm in church.
When I drive the truck, I used to have
Day.
this amount, but I have to spend like more than a week away from my family for get this amount of money. So thank you so much, mate. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely. You're welcome. Changing lives over here. New high a day on NVIDIA. New high a day. Look at it. Buy. There's 779.92. New high a day. I told you, leave it alone. Stop dinking around with the trade. Let it work. Make that money. 780, 780, 71. New high a day. I'm up $7,000, 196% on this trade. Could I have made $4,000 earlier? Sure. Get the hell out of here with that. Why? I could do that if it goes to 0 today. Who cares? Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Now, 50, 20, 20, 10. James, are you in here with me? We talked a lot this morning. James?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me you had smaller position sizes, you listened to the sound of my voice today, and you executed the trades properly or are attempting to.
I have attempted to. SOXL, one out of the, not at the money, one out of the money. Not having a lot of luck with it picking up my order when I click the button. So I'm just watching, listening, learning.
Okay. Now remember, we want to be at the money always, everybody, at the money. Okay, always. Make sure
Yes,
you're
sir.
buying. Make sure you're buying at mid, not at bid. A lot of times you can't catch bid on it. Okay.
Yes, sir. I went one out of the money instead of at the money to not go over my budget.
I got you. I got you. Good job.
James, if you buy, like for me, I bought 2 out of the money, and I was just fighting. Like everyone was saying green, new high, and
Yeah,
it's still
that's
red because the delta is terrible.
yeah,
So
the
I
out.
bought a couple.
Yes.
Yeah, I bought a couple at the money, and now it's green.
Yep, the at the
It
money
moves
is
much.
the yeah, that's the magic. That's the magic. Okay, Nvidia triple top. 1, 2, 3, pull. Right? 1, 2, 3, pull. Couldn't hold, but look at this high. Beautiful. Now start watch your levels again. Here we go again. 777. If it can't hold, 775. If it can't hold, 774. Scalpers, paradise trading. You can do it on every one of these, right? If it falls, this is what I mean. If it breaks below, whoosh, keep going. If it touches right here, calls. If it breaks below, stop, and then it's a put, right? It's because remember, you don't get to scalp unless you're a master at everything, the mechanics, when to do it, how to do it, everything, right? We've got a question over here. It says, Devin says, I'm so confused. Devin, are you would not be confused if you were over here in our membership where I train you, right? We train you 40 plus hours a week, Devin. You wouldn't be confused. You're watching for free. There could be some confusion. I try to give you guys free training all day, every day. But come on over. Come on over and see us. Might change your life. How many members today have made over $100,000 in profit? I want to hear one at a time. Go ahead.
I'm up 136,000.
Thank you.
Coach, I'm over 109.
Thank you. 109.
Bucket and Nate, 2 greats.
There we go. Who else? I know we got to have some people that are close to that. Come on, talk to me.
Still in it.
How about this? Who's made over $50,000 profit today? Go ahead.
75,000, Coach.
Thank you.
54,000 on SMCI.
Thank you. Is that it? At least that's all. Okay, how about this? Who's made over $10,000 today? The market hasn't even been open an hour. Who's made over $10,000?
That would be me.
Yes, sir.
18.
Nice.
I'm at 30.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
16.
Thank you.
31,000
Coach.
Thank you. Are you guys hearing these numbers? Right? Are you hearing what's going on in this room? This is the difference at American Dream Trading. Andrew.
Coach, I'm almost at 400,000 for the month.
$400,000 this month in profits. Am I right? Was that right?
Way to go, Nate.
Nate. 7,200 bucks away.
$400,000 this month. By the way, that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 16 trading days. You've made close to $400,000. Divided by 16 means you're making $25,000 a day. Nate started with us a little over a year ago. Zero experience in the stock market and started an account with $500. Is now up $400,000 this month. Let that sink in.
One of the goats.
Let that sink in for a minute, ladies and gentlemen.
That's
Am I right?
unbelievable, Nate.
Absolutely.
It's not surprising.
Absolutely. Okay,
I
here we
think
go.
that's $5,000 an hour.
Yeah, that's amazing. So hold on a sec. We got one troll that I'm about to banish. Mitch, this is hilarious. This is hilarious, right? We've made over $75 million in profits for our group, Mitch, which is more than any group you've ever heard of in your life. Ever, Mitch. I'm speaking right to you. You've never heard of this before. Ever in your life. Ever. Mitch says, listen to this. And then moderators, you guys can ban them. Why bragging about NVIDIA? Even a tick toddler knew NVIDIA would be up today. Everyone is up today. That's hilarious. Mitch, this room has been talking about it for a year and a half straight. Somebody go ahead and ban Mitch over.
Bye, Mitch.
Thank you. Ban him. Thank you. We appreciate all of your rude comments that mean absolutely nothing to no one.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, that kid giving out you
Felicia.
replacements.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, don't let the door hit you in the ass on the way out.
Yep. Somebody ban him. Can you guys see him? He's spamming over there. Moderators. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, I was going to say, don't mute him. Ban him. Thank you. Look at Bubbles over there. Jumped all over his face. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you.
That's right. Bye-bye now.
Bubbles ain't gonna let that fly.
No,
Let's go, Bubba.
So here we go. Now
105%.
yes.
Coach on AMD.
Yes. NVIDIA is still climbing. It pulled back to, oh, what do you know? Is that 774? Is that exactly where it pulled back to again? Oh, no. Oh, boy. See it? And then it ran up to what? 778. Slowed down at 777. Oh, my.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
Hey, Coach, AMD is up 15%.
Yes.
I'm sorry, 10%. 10%, sorry.
Yes, that's beautiful. So this is what's frustrating for me as a real professional with all these little kids that come in here and say that stuff. So all the little tick toddlers, YouTubers, and crypto kitties, today they'll have a good day only because the overall market is green, where we have a good day every day, no matter what the market is. So then they say, well, of course, today you're green. Hey, listen up. We do it every day. This isn't something new to us. We don't care. We do it every day. That's the difference. So while you guys get to once in a blue moon go, yay, we do it every damn day. Every damn day we show up. Boom. That's the difference.
Coach, I'm convinced you're just a program that the Matrix created to keep us all happy.
Right? Right now, the haters are like, oh my gosh, this guy. What did he say? He said 98% advertisement and 2% training. You guys, I've been on since what time did I get on? 7:45 I've been on.
Early.
7:45
Yeah,
I've been on training, and I spent less than 4 minutes talking about my own product.
Less than that, Coach.
So I'm going to have to call bullshit on all of that. Haters.
You don't respond to them. People, everybody
Thank
knows.
you for what you do,
We all
Coach.
know,
You gotta
we all
explain
share.
yourself. We know what you do.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, not only was it like an hour and a half of training this morning, but it was heartfelt training. We can tell that your emotion was poured into it. That's something really to stress. We can really tell.
If you don't have haters, you're not doing anything.
That is
There you go.
And that's
There you
because
go.
he's not a paid member, so he doesn't realize the full training that we all get.
They don't.
Right.
They only see the tip of the iceberg.
So right
And all this
here-
training we've been doing for the last year and a half is coming to a head right now.
Absolutely. And I told you today would be a great day for that. So right here, look at SPY. You see SPY up on a double top, but it's getting a lot of good volume, and that's going to help NVIDIA again, right? Hamilton, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Hey, real quick. So, and please don't ban me.
Get out of here.
So when I first
love this
started
guy.
listening to you, I actually caught you on Twitch, and I think it was a week before I actually went with the VIP lifetime.
Yep.
Because you were offering that. But first few days, I'm like, man, these guys are just stroking his ego, and I
Right,
kind of
that's
thought
why.
this way. And
Yes.
like I said, please don't ban me.
No, you're
But-
fine. I love you, man.
Oh, hold on. Sorry, my phone was ringing on the
Yeah,
other.
absolutely.
Yeah, and I kind of felt that way.
Yep.
First couple days, but man, I'm telling you, you get into this group and it is a complete life changer. It's changed my life.
Thank you, brother. And that's why I had to slow
Yeah,
down.
I
To the
used to
genius
think you
thing.
didn't like me because you got on to me when I did stupid stuff.
That proves he does like you.
Yeah, I'll take time. Hamilton, go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
You actually are proud when your people make money in here, and that's the difference. I see people on TikTok and everywhere else, and they're always worried about themselves. You're always worried about your people.
Yes,
that's it.
Well, yeah, it's what you guys do. It has nothing to do with me, right? Of course, I get excited if I'm in a decent trade and all this other stuff. But guys, like 13,000, right? I'm really excited about it. You guys see me do that in under a minute. That isn't the thing. It has nothing to do with me. It has to do with you guys. This is why I'm saying, when you guys see everybody out there with their Lambos and flexing and all of the fake giveaways, and I gave away your $600 and all this other bullshit. Sorry, guys, but that's all bullshit. I really hate that stuff. Why don't you do it when no one's looking every day? That's what I would like to see. It's about you guys. It doesn't matter if I make a penny. I don't get to flex. Well, if you guys can go ahead and look back, I guarantee you that I made $40,000 in a week. Who gives a shit?
Coach,
how are
hey,
your
Coach,
people
when we say
doing?
good things about you, we're just throwing Gatorade on you. We're hoisting you on our shoulders because you're such a great leader.
I appreciate it. And I know it does feel ego all the time, like, oh, he's a genius and all this. It's just fun. We're just having fun, guys. That's all it is. But I appreciate it.
And nobody will understand it until they get into the group.
Exactly. I was just going to say, no one will understand the intent of when we say you're a genius until they are actually in here.
Yeah, and we're just having fun. You guys know and it is hard, from the outside. If you walked in on the first day and you're like, oh my gosh, all they do is stroke this guy's ego and all this stuff. That's why I just try to slow it down. That's why I haven't softball pitched it up in a while. It's just us having fun, you guys. And if you've been here and if you give us more than a day, right? If you've been here longer than an hour, you will understand. We really, myself and the moderators, when I say we really care for you guys. We really want you to succeed. We do want to give you all the tools. Obviously, this is a business, so of course I have to make money on the side. Of course I have to advertise my business. This is how I get paid, right? If you notice, I'm not trading. I haven't actively traded one time today. All I've done is the 2 contracts that I left overnight. The whole day has been dedicated to you guys and not to me. These are the 2 that I just left from yesterday. This thing could sit for a week. I have
Coach, you haven't traded all week.
No, not at all. So
not while you're on here anyway.
No.
I mean,
so this is what I'm saying, right? The difference between, and I hope that you guys understand this, is it is, you're right, it is you guys at the end of the day. And I had to decide when I did this. Do I get paid to trade? Or do I get paid to train? And my heart is in training, and you guys know that. And that's probably why my trading has suffered, because I feel like when I'm spending time on myself, selfishly trading, I feel like I'm not giving you guys what I should. And that's why I don't like it. So you guys, I am a trainer first, trader second. That's it.
To any hater out there, by the way, no one other than yourself that I've ever come across, and probably most of the people in this group, would be willing to lose as much as you have just teaching us how to get in and out and do the things that we need to do to be successful. For that, I thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you. By the way,
Coach, one more thing I think it's important to point out.
Yes.
Andy Reid is arguably one of the best coaches of all time, right?
Sure. Yep.
Do we expect him to go out and shoulder pad up and get in the game?
Yeah, I know.
Right?
I get that all the time. Yeah.
You have the experience and you bring this to the table, and you're giving us the wealth of your 30 years experience, just like Andy Reid did it for the Chiefs.
Right. I do appreciate that. Yeah, that is always funny, right? When they're like, well, you do it. Like, I don't need to do it. I can train you how to do it. Right?
Hey, Coach. Hey, Coach, you can tweet this out to Band Boy over there. My wife's a nurse for 30 years now, and
thank her. That's awesome.
I've been able to make enough this month to take her to the Kentucky Derby. She's always wanted to go.
Oh, yes.
Such a great time.
Yeah, that is awesome. Well, you gotta send us some pictures. That is such a cool, incredible experience. You gotta send pictures.
I was there 2 years ago.
150th running of it, and it's our 30th anniversary. So
wow. That is
Congratulations.
that's incredible.
That's awesome.
That's the best trip you could ever give your wife. We were there about 3 years ago. It was amazing.
Yeah, that is really cool. Absolutely.
She worked all through COVID, and you know, she's just been through hell for.
Oh, she deserved it.
Yeah, absolutely, Paul.
Absolutely.
That's
I know
phenomenal.
what she went through.
Thank her for us, man. That's why every day I make a point. This isn't some sales thing. You don't hear anybody else talking about it. I really do care about all of you guys that take care of other people. It matters, right? Because luckily with my IT job, right, I got to work with all the ambulance and fire departments and police department. They all became my brothers and sisters. That's why I respect you so much, right? This isn't some sales thing, right? I don't get anything out of thanking you guys, right? There's nothing that comes out of it. It means everything to me because I saw you guys. I worked side by side with you. A lot of you became my best friends, right? I had FANG officers in Flint. If you know what that is, that's the hardest hardcore of the hardcore SWAT team, FBI members, right? Chief of police is the chief of fire departments, right? They were my best friends, right? We broke bread all the time. We hung out all the time. I handled their systems. We talked, we goofed around. We drive each other's cars. We go out to eat with families and stuff. Like, this is why it matters. This is why every day I do it. It isn't some random thing. It matters. Tell your wife we love her and we thank her every day. It matters. Helping people matters. People helping people. It's not some cliche, dumb thing. It matters. It really does.
Listen, that is why
I just want to say thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Everybody.
That is why there are so many members here right now listening to you, Coach, because we genuinely believe that you care for each and every person that you help. So we appreciate you and for what you do for us.
Thank you, guys. I almost feel like it's I don't want to say that here's where you go. You drink the purple Kool-Aid. I feel like this is my church. I feel like God put me in this place at this time of my life to be able to help and serve others. So this is the way I'm able to serve my community. Bigger, better, stronger, faster, larger than any other platform I could have possibly got on. So I feel like it is my responsibility to make sure we all can live a better life. And that's why we do the things we do. So I feel like this is my church, right?
Amen.
100%. Yes. Yes.
So
I don't care if people call us a cult or whatever they want. Then I'm gonna subscribe. I'm gonna own that shit because I want to be here. And it's you, it's the community, like yesterday was absolutely amazing. You guys are always there for me. We are there for each other. And it all starts from the top down, which is Coach. So it's like, it's not even just about stocks in here. And that's what they don't get. They don't get to see the intimate moments that we all have with each other where we're supporting each other. So they're just looking from the outside in. And guess what? They're jealous.
Right. Absolutely.
They're jealous.
Yeah.
Stop being jealous and join.
One of the greatest attributes you can ever have as a leader is the love you get from your followers. And anybody who's been in this group for any period of time knows that we all love Coach.
Yep.
And
Yes.
not only Coach,
56,000.
not only Coach, but all the people that he has surrounded himself with that moderate and that do the things that they do. That is the definition of a leader.
Thank you.
Coach, a couple of hands.
Give me just one sec.
Coach,
Love you, Coach.
Love you, bro. Don't make me cry, damn it.
Hey, Coach, there's no crying in baseball. Come on, man.
We love you and appreciate you, Coach.
Let's stroke his ego, guys.
while you're
Coach,
getting
think
your thoughts
about the
together,
colonoscopy you had a couple months ago.
Doing the job, Coach.
firefighters and medical people, we do this because we love it. And they call us heroes. I say, no, I'm not a hero. This is the job I love. This is what I do. But Coach, you got me going now. But the nurse, all those nurses who went through that COVID.
Yeah,
and
brutal.
I went out and I was one of the people picking up the victims in New York City. And those nurses, though, that were working, they are the heroes. You you can't believe what they went through. But
yeah, it's rough.
Thank you for your
Thank you for the kind words. My wife is a badass for sure.
Hell yeah. We love her, man. Tell her that. Tell her big hug from all of us here for sure.
Is she an ER nurse?
She's a nurse manager in the operating room, but she does all the trauma, so she gets
even better.
Yeah, big time. And but I told her what you guys were saying. I just texted her at work, and so she said it made her day.
Yeah,
that's
awesome.
Her
and her cohorts.
That's great.
Yes, thank you. Let me see. Do we have
And
any?
follow the rules. Follow the rules, guys. That's what I had to learn is follow the rules.
Yes.
There's 7 golden rules in here. Follow them. If you break one, it's gonna cost you $400 minimum.
Right. Yep, absolutely. I appreciate all of you. Let me change gears. Let me get through these questions. Ed, go ahead.
Thank you, Coach. It's not a question, it's basically a comment. For all the social media that is listening, you don't have to have a big account to be in this group. I have a small account, and today I made $113. For me, it's a big win with my small account. And I want to thank you for all the help and the moderators, to Don, Bruno, and Mark, Ted, and everyone, and Nate, for all the help that they are doing in this group. Is very helpful what they do and everything that you do also. Thank you for everything, Coach.
You're very welcome. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Josh, go ahead. You got your hand up. By the way, this is NVIDIA touched 779.83 again. Everybody see this? Here, and it just staying up here and then pulling back. See it?
Yep.
So yes, sir. Constant staying up there until it gets weak and people are like, oh no. Go ahead, Josh.
Hey, Coach. I just want to say I'm very grateful for you. And I've been here from the beginning since, you were on TikTok, your old house, and your wife was giving you lunch from DoorDash. And I remember I saw
never
this.
DoorDash,
It was
but yeah. Yep.
It was different. It was just like, man, I can't stop watching this guy. And I've struggled. I made terrible
Always
trading
Panera
decisions.
bread.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, or what was it?
It was
Smash Meals.
Yeah.
Smash
Meals. Yep.
And drinking those Diet Cokes.
Yep.
I had to take a break. And I had my personal struggles.
Yep.
And I came back and I heard about the VIP lifetime. And even though I couldn't afford it, I took out a loan to get it because I knew that's how much it would change my life. And I came back and I was trading red, still making those mistakes. And I've been in paper trade jail for a month, and I just came back to real trading, and I'm green now, and I couldn't do it without you. So
that's awesome.
Thank you for that.
Appreciate it.
And when you tell me, I reach out when I struggle.
Yes.
And you say you can do it. You're the only one in my life that can tell me I can do it, because my parents don't believe in this. My wife doesn't believe in me. So when you say I can do it, it means the world.
Thank you,
so
man.
Thank you for that. That's why I'm here.
Prove them wrong. That's all you got to do.
We believe in you.
Yeah, we do. You got this, Josh.
Believe in you.
Absolutely.
Thank you for believing in us, Coach.
You got it. You guys. Listen, we wouldn't even have this show. There'd be none of this. None of this would matter at all. If you guys weren't here, it would just be some old man sitting in the room trading in the dark. So thank you, guys.
Love you, Coach. Love you.
Hey, Coach, does this look like it's rolling downhill now?
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
No?
7,
I
7.
see the 9s cross the 21 now.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, it does. Yeah, this looks different. Yep, this looks different. Absolutely. If it can't hold 774, you're going to get a big pull. Yes, thank you. Yep, I can see it's fading big time. Yep, good call on that. So again, I still have that contract. It's still up 168%. I'm not touching it. As long as that stays above VWAP, I'm not touching this last contract today. I don't care. Doesn't matter. So thank you guys. Oh, what a day. Looks like somebody just bought one of the VIP lifetime membership. Tej, are you in here? Congratulations.
Yeah, I'm here.
Nice job. I see you just scooped up the VIP lifetime membership. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. It only took me to blow up my account once before I got it.
That's okay.
Best decision you ever made.
Thank you.
Territory. Yep.
I don't think Bruce is ever going to get off square one.
Uh-oh, hold on. I got him. 772 support again here on NVIDIA. You see it? 772. It did the same thing as earlier. Everybody see this right here, right?
On the button, coach.
Yep. This is where it has to hold, though, because look at SPY on VWAP. SPY's on VWAP, so that's support on SPY. NVIDIA on support at 772. So again, this is where it has to hold the line. Trade the trades, right? Collect on pullbacks. Who is still in NVIDIA with me? Is anybody still in there? Is everybody still making money in there?
I am. Still got a contract going, coach.
Yep.
I'm in hands.
Yep. So it's still to the upside. It's still strong. It's obviously, right, I don't like this big fade. This fade was different. So this was up, stair-stepping. This we don't like seeing. Remember how we talked about this change for quite a while this morning, right, VIP members?
Hanging fruit.
Yep, hanging fruit, exactly. So again,
That's exactly what you said, coach.
Yep, it has to hold 772 or you watch this come to VWAP, okay? It has to hold that. You'll see some
100%.
slowdown. You'll see some slowdown right here, but I'm telling you, has to hold. If it does hold, you're going to get a nice bounce again off 772. But look at your EWO fading. You see it fading and going red here on the 1 minute? So we'll see. Yep, we need a big push. Now, Fed or somebody's talking, right? A lot of times what will happen is they'll get off the podium. If somebody's on the news, they'll stop talking, and then it'll go pop right back to where it's supposed to be, by the way, which is up. So, and if you look at it, even at this level, this is NVIDIA up 15%, right? So this isn't like, oh, it's crashing. It's 15% right here. It's up $100. $100. It's $100 it's up. Okay? This is why it's paying so much money. So, all right, last two questions, and then I got to get out of here. Voice is gone. I think we're going to go help my son out. He's going to go grab some new dress blues for work or something. Needs a laptop or something. I don't know. You never stop fathering, right? My son's 20, going to be 27 this year. You just never stop fathering. Josh, you got your hand up, or did I finish with you? I think I did. Yep, Mike, go ahead.
That was my question. Was it rolling downhill?
Oh, good. Okay. All right. Gotcha. Yeah. And good call out when you saw that. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful call out. Thank you. Yep.
See Coach, I'm gone. I done took my profits for the day. I'm gone.
Nice.
I'm done. I'm trading.
Nice job.
Great job today, Nate.
How much, Nate, if you don't mind, how much did you make today, profit?
A little over 113,000.
Boom.
That's not a bad day. That's not a bad day, Nate.
No, but I'm tired right now. So
well, yeah, that's a lot of work. 113,000. That is 2 years for an income of 2 people working a full-time job in the median here in the United States of America. You just did that, and it's 1049 today. $113,000. Nice job. That's the work of 4 for a whole solid year. 4 people a year.
No wonder you're tired.
No, yeah, you got to be exhausted.
Wow.
We talked about this, Nate, the last 3 days. You did it, buddy. Again.
Coach, thanks for this opportunity. I can't tell you enough how I feel.
I appreciate
Nate's tired because he's up at 4 a.m. showing all of us how to trade pre-market.
Exactly. And Nate, thank you too, man. Right? So I helped you, and now you're helping others. I love it. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, people are excited to be around you, Nate. You are infectious, right? People love to be around you.
Well, I'm just glad I could trade options today. I was not going to do options, but I couldn't resist it, so I jumped in it today.
Nice job.
Still don't know
Good
what the hell
job,
I'm
Nate.
doing, but you know.
Great job, Nate. Congrats.
Good job, Nate. Have a good day.
Good job, buddy.
Go
I
relax.
will.
Eat a
Thank y'all.
Crustable.
Go
You
relax.
deserve a Crustable.
See y'all in the morning.
See you at 4 a.m.
See you
Get a
tomorrow.
whole box of Crustables, Nate.
Yeah.
See you in the morning, buddy.
Stop
Nate,
it.
my wife loves you.
See you, Nate. Enjoy.
Tell your wife I love her.
See you later, Nate. Appreciate you, buddy.
Bye.
That's awesome. New VIP lifetime member just signed up, Jeff, aka Fun Dad. Congratulations. There's another
Congrats, Jeff.
VIP lifetime. I'm gonna cancel your annual membership. You no longer have to pay. Doing that now.
Perfect. Thank you.
You
Text
got it?
trader.
Yep. Nice job. Okay, there's your bounce
Oh,
again.
to you, man, because I was able to do that from what I've learned.
Oh,
As you can see on my account, I started from month to month.
Yeah, so you started month to month, then you bought an annual and then a lifetime, right?
Correct.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yep, I see it right here. That's beautiful.
It's all from what I've learned, man. Thanks to you.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Really do. Love having you here. Thank you. Thank you for trusting me with your hard-earned money, too. I know it's a lot of money for a lot of you. I do take it to heart.
That's how you do it.
And I do appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, exactly. Started a monthly, then he went to an annual, and now he's a lifetime member, right? That's a beautiful progression. So there are still 4 more of those left before we got to close the doors. But thank you. I'm going to go ahead and take off. Thank you, guys. An amazing day. Watch NVIDIA on 772 scalpers. That's support, right? Every time down here when it gets close to 772. Watch every one of these levels as this climbs. Most likely, just so you guys know, I will probably sell this call before the end of the day, only because I don't want time decay to kick in and wreck this every single day I wake up. If I still love the trade, what I would do is I would take this call, sell it at the end of the day, and then buy something really long out, right? That way I don't have time decay. So if I still am in love with something, I can sell it, buy myself time, and I'm still good, right? I'll still lock in a lot. I'm up $12,600 for the day, 2 trades. It's still up 170%. We're still way up here. We're still up in the clouds, and I'm just not worried about it. Let it do what it's going to do. Like I said, worst case scenario, if it pulls back and if it drops back below VWAP, okay, I'll make another $5,000 or whatever. Wah. Right? Let it go. Let it work. Still a lot of time. It's only 11 o'clock. There's 5 more hours in the market. Okay? So we're golden. Oh, there went another lifetime. Gina, congratulations to you. That leaves 3. Hold on. Yep, I see you. So Gina, if you're listening, if you're in here, make sure you go to your email and click on claim perks so that it will be assigned to your Discord account. That way you'll be all set and it will then unlock all your stuff. If you need help, reach out to us and we'll get you squared away. All right. By the way, don't forget, I know I have to sell my product. I should talk about it. So if you guys want to join us, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Don't forget, though, I do have a mastermind class coming up in 2 weeks. Mastermind class, how to grow your small account. If you guys are interested in that, it's $199. It's an hour-and-a-half long class. You do not need to be a member. You guys can get that class, $199. We'll see you over there. We do have limited seats, so make sure you get into there now. But again, if you guys are interested, all of those memberships, though, anticipate those going up. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. This isn't some hard sale thing. It's just we haven't moved the price in a year, and I think it's time. So I love you guys. Thank you again to all my moderators. Without you, we would have nothing. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Dawn, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Johan, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Kaizen, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Thank you so much. Again, thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Right on
Thank
point.
you, Coach. Have a good day, man.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Coach. Love.
Love you too. Look at NVIDIA, the bounce off of 772, SPY stayed above VWAP, Soxel above VWAP, bounced off the 200. There you go. Everybody be cool. I hope you guys all made some money today. I hope you learned something. VIP, I hope me coming in early today, it prepped you. It got your mind right. I hope you made ass loads of money or you learned something because I knew today would be a special day. I hope it changed your account, which in turn changed your lives. If you would, everybody do me a favor, go on Twitter at ADT Coach, say something nice. Don't forget, if you guys made any money today, I would love to see it in the profits and loss. It would be great if moderators, if you could have somebody read that out today. I think that will really help people to see what's going on. We really do appreciate it. So again, thank you so much for being here. Have an amazing day. I'll see you guys again tomorrow morning. Appreciate you. Love
We
your
actually
faces.
kind of been reading them in the aftermarket too, here and there, Coach.
Oh, good. I like that.
Yep.
Thanks, Coach. Love you.
Thank you for the morning training.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Thank you for
Morning training.